Nitin Gadkari, Union Minister Jongka Road Transport but National Highway Jongkari India, hakasngi se jan jongka tayau ulahir syakashnong khonjoy, kabari kashnong hapo Jongkaranikor constituency ban ïalap election na kabenta oba Martin M. Danggo, uway na kikertong jongka Bharatiya Janata Party oban yakun yak MLA election na Ranikor constituency. Hakabayday bat uni ukertong jongka BJP na Ranikor constituency ubadir umentri jongka tanat surok hakisnem ke baladep uba Martin M. Danggo na kaliang jong unitin ulapan pa ba uni ulong shisha unongilam hak ba mo ulem bat udango kelayo banyatai hakisnem ke baladep halo kumno banwan ra ya kisrok ki babha hakani ka dong kathain. Kiwe pat ki balai don lang hak jinga lang hakani gesngi kilong ujanta Das Kumar State Vice President jongka BJP kumjo ru usyamal saikia. Nang taka kompelsi snaitang uba mastadi nongrem u TG Momin u RR Marang uba Bros Imle bat uba LA sangma lembat ki pai ba nong keshan nakileng ki jaka bat kithan jongka khonjoy.
Many time I was annoyed, many time I tell to Honorable Chief Minister and Minister that if you can give me the land, if you can give me the environment forest clearances, money is no problem for me. I will complete the all infrastructure, road infrastructure in Meghalaya, whatever the people are expecting from me. But my problem was that, unfortunately, I don't blame anybody, but getting land was not possible. Getting clearance from Forest and Environment Ministry was a big problem. And that is the reason when I was ready to make the expenditure, I don't have money problem, but fortunately, it was difficult for me to increase the road construction speed. Honorable, our candidate, Mr. M. Danggo, he was the minister for PWD. I got Apple to interact with me. He tried his level best, but the Environment Forest Ministry and the land acquisition is related with the other department. But at that time he tried his level best that how we can make good roads in Meghalaya. Actually, as per the Meghalaya history is concerned, before 2014, the national highway length was only 1,294 kilometers. I am basically only responsible for national highway, and some of the funds I am giving from CRA, Central Road Fund, to the state government roads. It is very less fund. But I am really happy that up till now, 2023, we increased the national highway length by 324 kilometers in 8 years. That is 25% rise in the national highway in Meghalaya. I am really happy that the first time we have taken this decision. So now, the ongoing project in Meghalaya, we are working on 350.74 kilometers. The work is going on, and the cost of the project is 4,000 crore. The works are going on. You can see, I can give you the list of the project. The total cost of the total length of the project which we are making now for the future in the planning, that is of 563 kilometers, and total cost of project include 20,000 crore. And you give support to BJP, we will resolve your problem. Some of the people politically, they are creating negativity in the mind of the people that BJP is against minority. BJP is not going to helpful to the minority. I am telling you and I am asking you a question. We have a lot of schemes. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, already lot of schemes are there. Anywhere is there any discrimination? I am telling you, previously I was the BJP president. Our policy is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Prayas, or Sabka Vikas. We don't want to discriminate anybody on the basis of caste, religion, creed and sex. Justice with all and appeasement of none. That is the policy of Bharatiya Janata Party. We know that you are Christian majority, but we never stop road construction because we want to make it. We don't want to discriminate anybody on the basis of religion, caste, creed and sex. And that is the reason that we are doing. We want to develop this country. We want to eradicate the poverty. गरीब गरीब होता है, गरीब को जात पंथ धर्म और भाषा नहीं होती. जो गैस का सिलेंडर जिस भाव में क्रिश्चियन को मिलता है उसी भाव में मुसलमान को मिलता है, उसी भाव में हिंदू को मिलता है. We want to eradicate poverty. We want to create more employment potential. Now you just take the example in my ministry. We have an import of 17 lakh crores of fossil fuel, petrol, diesel and gas. And now as a minister, I am going to encourage electric vehicle, e-scooter, e-car, e-buses, ethanol, flex engine. We are already making ethanol from bamboo. I am the pioneer of ethanol in this country. Diversification of agriculture towards energy and power sector. किसान को अन्नदाता नहीं, हम ऊर्जादाता बनाना चाहते हैं. Meghalaya is being connected to the country's first multimodal logistic park being built at Jogidopa in Assam. My ministry is working on that and it is to be a dream project for me. This is going to be a growth engine for Northeast and also for Meghalaya. For this, the DPR of 56 km 4-lane road from Tura to Pekan at a cost of 2,000 crore will be completed by December 2023. This road is a part of India-Bangladesh trade corridor and this route will connect Meghalaya with the MMLP being built at Jogidopa. Apart from this, the 8-km road from Dubri to Northwest to NW2 will be made 4-lane and this will lead to direct connectivity to multimodal logistic park in Meghalaya via Phulwari Bridge. I am doing lot of projects in Northeast. The basic reason as our Prime Minister and our government has given highest priority for development of infrastructure in Northeast area. We have good universities, skill development, good education, and knowledge is the power. The innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skill, and successful practices. We name it as knowledge, and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future. Dear friends, it is the time for all of you that you need good colleges, good schools, good universities, good research institutions, by which you can lead not only Meghalaya, but you can lead the country abroad. And the potential you have got it. But we have to make giving all type of exposure to you, and good school and good colleges are very essential. At the same time, health services are equally important. Without medical education, without health facility, we cannot develop this area. So totally our planning is in the health sector, in the education, in the infrastructure, in the road infrastructure, water, power, transport and communication. By all ways with an integrated approach, we want to develop Meghalaya. And that is the mission for all of us. अभी तक आपने जो देखा है वो तो ट्रेलर है.
When we have been having a review meeting, when I interacted, I have mentioned the double lane road from Lat Maureng, where Nongstoin Shillong double lane road under the NH 41E. There was a proposal to connect from there, that point, to this, our headquarters, Ranikot, via Willoy and Mawphor. But however, I don't know, last 5 years, that was not pursued. And although it has been approved in principle in the ministry, in your ministry, sir, but now I don't know where it has disappeared. So today I would like to beg from you, sir, kindly revive that scheme for the benefit of the remote people of this area. Sir, under my constituency, under my consideration, the total area of the land is 820 square kilometers, but however, only 285.76 kilometers have been connected by a road. Many of the villages are disconnected. Today, some of my people have to travel more than 10 hours, 12 hours just to reach this place. So, sir, your kind visit to this area will definitely boost our road connectivity, and you are very much interested in developing the rural infrastructure. I believe you will, since you have come by yourself to visit our area, you will do the favor for our constituency, for my area.